Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn the installation of the VMware Workstation Pro 25 S2 step by step on a Windows PC or laptop. This complete guide explains how to install, download and configure Windows VMware Workstation Pro so you can create and run virtual machine smoothly. This complete guide explains how to download and configure VMware Workstation Pro so you can create and run virtual machines smoothly. In this video, you will learn VMware Workstation Pro 25 system requirement, download and install VMware Workstation Pro, initial setup and configuration, common installation error and fixes, prepare VMware for Windows 11 virtual machine. This tutorial is perfect for beginner, student, IT learners, and virtualization enthusiasts. VMware Workstation Pro is a desktop virtualization application that lets you run multiple operating systems as a virtual machines on a single physical machines. It is commonly used for the software development, system testing, and the IT management tasks that require isolated environment. You can easily save and revert to previous state and control networking for a VMware guest. It is easy to run old version Windows like Windows 10 and also latest version Windows 11 in a VM, or you can sign up any Linux OS all without leaving the desktop environment you are used to. Since Broadcom acquisition of VMware Workstation Pro is now available for free, making the previously paid product accessible at no cost without limiting its core functionality or platform support. This is fully functional version without limits, no license keys required. It is free for commercial, education and personal use. So let's start. I will I will save the link on comments description so you can download from here. Let's start. This is the VMware 25 latest version setup. Let's run the setup. Click on yes. Now setup is started. Click on the next. Select checkbox. Click on next. Click on next. Set the custom path or default path. Default path is in save in program files VMware workstation. Click on the next. Click on the next. Creating desktop shortcuts on start menu and desktop. Select next and click on the install button. Now setup is installing. You can see the icon is created on the desktop. Click on the finish button. Now your setup now VM is machine is VM software is installed. Click on the open it. Now you can see the workstation VM Workstation Pro is installed 25+2. There is a new feature introducing dig tool, a command line tool to examine and modify VMware configuration files such as VMX file or user preference file. Added support for USB 3.2, added support for virtual machine version 22, added support for Hyper-V deletion, added support for new guest operating system for Linux 10, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10, Fedora, OpenSUSE Linux, Debian 13, Oracle Linux 10, VMware ESX 9.0, added support for new host operating system Red Hat Enterprise, Fedora, OpenSUSE, Leap, Leap, SUSE Linux, Debian. While you are using, there is some resolution issue while using Workstation Pro on Linux. The application result in an unexpected failure with the condemn cordum file. If the power button is in the toolbar is configured to perform a guest shutdown instead of a hard power off when use a suspended VM, the button failed to discard the suspend file. An incorrect default logging configuration result in VMware authorization service. The VM auth D sending an access number of logging message to the event viewer tool. When clicking on the collect support data, every file in the proc file system is being copied individually by using the cp command with result in a slow collection process. Another issue resolved. Intel Meteor like GPU that run on Linux host operating system have GPU memory heap enabling the 3D acceleration option causes an error in the memory synchronization code with result in video rendering corruption on the guest operating system. Now the machine is okay, perfect. Is installation is perfect. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe for more video for VMware and Windows tutorials. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.